How to log in Gmail account. Welcome and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to head over and launch a Gmail application on your mobile device. In here, select on the option of Got It. Tap on Add an email address. Select on the option of Google. After which, to set up an account, start off by entering your email address or your mobile number. Then you need to create your password and verify yourself. After this process, you'll be able to log in or create your very own Gmail account. If not, the account that is linked to your Play Store will also be the account of your Gmail. This is because when you install your Gmail, it will be automatically linked with your Gmail and the Play Store account. And it will even save you from the hassle of creating an account for you. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.